You're so cute. Say dad, 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 dad. Say dad, 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 dad. Say dada. Dad, 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 dad. Can you do it? Can you say dad? Dad. Dad, 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 dad. Come on, you can do it. Say daddy. Daddy. Say daddy. Say daddy. Hello everyone, it's John, David, and Thatcher here. And we're just hanging out. We're gonna do a little laundry. Laundry. Sunday is laundry day. Yeah, it is. It is laundry day. We'll go put it all up. Say, daddy. Say, daddy. Oh my goodness, you're adorable. Yeah, you are. Say, daddy, 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 daddy. Say, dad. Dad, 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 dad. You're gonna say it soon, I just know it. Say, Thatcher, Thatcher, Thatcher. Say, hey. Say, Thatcher, Thatcher, Thatcher. Say, mama, mama, mama. You're gonna crawl right off this bed. Say, hey, mama, mama, mama. You're running out of real estate. Oh, this is so cute. Hey, hey, Thatcher, Thatcher, Thatcher. Hey, Thatcher, Thatcher, Thatcher. Say, Thatcher, Thatcher, Thatcher. Thatcher, Thatcher, Thatcher. Oh, Thatcher, Thatcher, Thatcher. You getting tired, little boy? Hey, Thatcher. You getting tired? Elephant's getting in the way. Silly little boy playing so cute. Bored of that toy. Bored of it. Hi. Hello. Okay, I don't exactly know what is going on, but this kid loves this pillow right now. Do you love the pillow? Oh, you're not gonna do it now? There he goes. He's like attacking it earlier. What are you doing? You flipped over. You can still get it? Oh, goodness, so hard. Oh. Dude, what is your deal? It's like catnip. Baby nip. What are you trying to do? You gonna burrow into it? You gonna burrow into the pillow? You wanna attack it? You're just gonna climb over it? What is the face? Don't get distracted by the camera string. Man, he is really getting strong. What? Oh, you on your little pillow? You got your little feet? Cute, cute. You are getting so tired. It's 8:30, but I bet you would go to sleep if I put you down in there. You're so amiable. It's just crazy how just happy and calm you are. I wonder if you would go to bed if I put you in the bed. Okay, I need to clear this card off. Definitely, I need to clear it off for tomorrow. I just ran out of space and I had to delete some old footage. I'm really not good at cleaning up footage, but okay, this little dude is gonna play a little bit more probably and go down here pretty soon. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow when we go to the show. Yeah. My sock has a hole in it. Alright, say goodnight, little dude. Say bye to the internet. Bye to the family. Thatcher, hey. Say goodbye to the family. Say goodbye to the family. Or eat the pillow. Alright. Okay, bye guys.